Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, and today we're doing the first impression of my Mark 6 Golf GTI. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Let's go.
Came back with a click clap and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Right guys, so we're doing the first impressions of my new Mark 6 Golf GTI. And first of all, I want to start off by saying why I went and bought a Mark 6 Golf GTI. So if you know me and you've been following the channel, you know that I bought a Mark 5 Golf GTI and went nuts on it. And I think for me it was the best way forward to go get a Mark 6 Golf GTI. The Mark 6 Golf GTI is a car that I have been admiring for a very long time, and it has a soft spot in my heart. Yes, I had the money for a Mark 7, 7.5, but I really like the shape of the Mark 6 Golf GTI. It's got a bit of rawness to it. So that's why I went and got a Mark 6 Golf GTI. And like I said in my first video of this car, there was a few things that obviously I wanted with the Mark 6 Golf GTI. One, the colour. Secondly, the tartan heated seats. That was a very big thing for me. And third, it had to be manual. So that's why I went and bought a Mark 6 Golf GTI, guys. Right, so let me talk to you about what's underneath the hood. So it's got a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, pushing out 210 brake horsepower, 280 newton meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This car also comes with a KO3 turbo, and personally I think my car is stock 210 brake horsepower is quite low for a car like this, but it does sound like this. Which gives me the smiles all day long. While obviously it's updated, they've stepped up from the Mark 5 Golf GTI. We've got to bear in mind that obviously this car is a Mark 5 Golf GTI. They've just upgraded a few parts and the body looks different. Suspension is all standard on this car. Like I said, it is a standard car besides the induction kit. That's the only mod it's got on it. Right, so how this car feels. It feels like a Mark 5 GTI, but better, more refined. Obviously, inside the cockpit, a lot better. Looks a lot better as well. Now, there's obviously a few niggles on my car, a few rust spots, which are very common on the Golf. I don't know why they're sorting it out. There are a few things I need to sort out, but personally this car, my car, alhamdulillah, there's no major problems. There's no knocks, there's no bangs, there's no loose ends, no oil leaks or nothing. And I think personally I've backed myself a very good car. For everyone out there who has a Mark 6 Golf GTI, GTI, I would love to know in the comment below how you're getting on with your car. There is one thing I did say in the last video, and I will repeat it again, is for people who've got a Mark 6 Golf GTI, please help me out. My induction kit is not loud enough, and I want my induction kit to be louder. So how do I achieve that? I would really appreciate if somebody shed some light on this topic. Right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up there. That's all for today. Like I said to you guys, if anybody can help me out, comment down below with the induction kit situation. I also have just realized that obviously my revs are hanging quite high, so that's another issue that I need to tackle. Maybe we'll do a video on that. This car, obviously I will slowly modify the car, because that's what we do and that's what we like to do. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Don't forget, whoever's not subscribed, to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, see you soon guys.